So as you can see here, crammed in this truck, that is the front lip for his 2004 G35. And I'm gonna take it to him, let him open it, see his reaction, and then see how it goes for him. Finally got it Christian's. The G's here. Just did a cold start. I wish I got that. But now he's gonna open it up, and I'm gonna get his reaction to what he thinks it looks like, you know?
I looked up a couple, and just saying, he's also getting a gift too. It just wasn't just me.
As you can see, he's got the big money discount tire, you know, gear on.
I looked at a couple things, and if it's what I think it is, I swear to you.
There it is.
Oh, yeah, this is the exact one.
Hey!
Oh, shit! Yo, this thing's gonna look dope as hell.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
We just got to figure out how it goes up there now because the little one underneath already. So we've already kind of mocked it up on the car a little bit just by holding it, and it looks minty. He's gonna clean that off, and he's gonna clean under the front lip, you know. So we can put it on. Of course, it just comes with self tappers and stuff. So we're just kind of gonna like zip it into the corners there, like I got mine on my Accord. But this is a really nice lip. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's like really thick, and it's like
thick.
And it's like it moves, but it's like Hot Boy spec. Like you can scrub that thing and be fine. So I feel like it's gonna look really good on this car.
Yeah, it's wild.
So his OEM little thing down there is kind of messed up, so he's trying to like cut it off that way this fits a little bit better. But it looks like it's gonna fit good. Got my little handy dandy skill saw like drill thing. Got the self tappers ready just to self tap it in. And then after this, we're gonna finally film the reveal video. That this is like weeks after the car's been on the road. We've done mods to it, but then we're gonna film the reveal video.
One video, I've had this car for 2.5 months.
Yeah, so we're gonna actually do the reveal. That way we can release the week's worth of videos we've already filmed on this car. Yeah, so that's probably when you're gonna be seeing this, is during that time. So as you can see, we've got the lip put on. It fits nicely. We need to get double-sided tape to fill that gap up because it is sagging just a tad bit, like it could come up like that. But all 4 self-tappers are in the corners. It didn't come with any bracketry or anything to make it go like up some, but it still doesn't look bad. Still looks pretty good. He'll probably end up getting some tape or something, taping it up, or maybe just let it sit. It doesn't really matter. But looks a whole lot better than what it used to. How do you feel about the lip?
Love it, dude. This thing is gonna be. You're getting your underglow soon, so.
Yeah, he's getting me underglow for the Accord because last time it failed. But now he's got the front lip. Front lip looks a whole lot better. If we come to like the side and everything.
Look at my bald ass tire.
Yeah, it adds like a whole new like little look kind of to the front end. Makes it look a little bit more aggressive and everything. Kind of matches the wing on the back a little bit. Kind of having like front and rear. But we're in the process of now. He kind of starting to build this thing now. Now that he's put tons of money into maintenance, it's time to make it lowered. Wheels, tires, Hot Boy. It's already got the exhaust. So stay tuned for this car. Might get some like cinematics, a few more things because I know this video is short so far, and I don't really know how to make it longer, so I'm gonna keep rambling on.
Let's do it. Let's get this reveal video done.
Yep. Yeah, he lives right there. We made it very far, and the lip fell off the front. I don't know what happened.
No, we weren't going too fast.
These,
up a little bit.
I mean, these are still, they kind of backed out, I guess.
All right, let's do some double tape.
Luckily, it's thick, so it didn't really mess anything up.
It flattened the ringer, but that's fun.
Yeah, it's not that bad. Yeah, this is going great. Definitely not a lip hanging off of the car. me. So we're literally in the hardware store parking lot putting Gorilla heavy duty double-sided tape on it. If this doesn't work, I swear I'm gonna just stick a freaking self-tapper straight through the front and be ghetto. But hopefully this will hold. Literally finds a new 840i BMW. This thing is gorgeous. So we went ahead and got the double-sided tape stuck on it and everything. And it's looking pretty good right now. Just got done doing some like video for the reveal video. So yeah, everything's going pretty good on this now. That may be the end of the video. Link to the lip I will put in the description down below. The playlist I'm gonna make for this car, because we're gonna start making videos for it, is gonna be also in the description down below. So yeah, I hope y'all have a great day. Enjoy y'all's day. And
if you want to trade the car for a Z, go at it.
Oh yeah, send him trade offers, because he does kind of want to trade it. So if you want anything else, send him a trade. Don't really know what video this is going into, but right now we're gonna debadge some of these badges on the back of it, because it kind of looks a little too much going on back here, especially with the blast pipe. And then you look on the other side, it just says G35X. So I think we're gonna debadge as much as we can. Might just leave the Infinity like logo itself, maybe leave the Infinity, we don't really know yet. We're just gonna go and see how it goes. So we just got done debadging it. We just gotta kind of like clean it up all where it used to be. We decided we're just gonna leave it with just the Infinity badge there, just kind of like that type deal. I think it'll look pretty cool. I'm sitting here like, oh, it's a Miata, and there's a whole Mitsubishi 3000 GT beside it, and I'm like, oh, Miata. Like, bro, it's a 3000 GT. I just want to say Jordan's done made it, because BMW i8 parked beside my boy.
Now turn up.